If you are a computer science or engineering student anywhere in India and this video is specifically for you, Cloudflare, the company whose network runs behind half the websites you visit every single day, is officially hiring a software engineer interns right here in Bangalore in India. And this is not a regular internship where you make a presentation and sit in meetings. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly who can apply, exactly what skills you need, how much stipend you will get, and what are the steps needed to apply for this one. Stay till the end because I have one tip that can fast track your application ahead of thousands of other candidates. So let's get into the video. First, let's quickly talk about what Cloudflare is, because this is not a company you want to skip past. Every time you open a website, Google, Amazon, Swiggy, anything, there is very good chance of Cloudflare's network is working silently behind it. Cloudflare makes the internet faster, safer, and more reliable for everyone. Now let's talk about the actual role. So the role is software engineer intern. So the location is from Bangalore, India. This is an in-office role. You will need to come in 3 to 5 days a week. No remote option is for this position. So the internship duration will be 12 to 16 weeks. That's a full summer internship. So what really matters is Cloudflare converts a good number of interns into full-time employees after. So this is a serious career opportunity, not just a certificate. Now the question everyone wants to answer: how much is stipend? So Cloudflare has officially stated that interns are paid at a competitive rate equal to prorated salary of entry level full-time positions. So Cloudflare entry level engineers in India are roughly around 40 to 60 LPA per annum. So for 3 to 4 months of internship, you will be looking at an estimated stipend of around 3 to 5 lakhs for the full pay. So that's a genuinely one of the highest internship stipends you will find in India right now. And on the top of that, if you need to relocate to Bangalore, Cloudflare provides a separate travel and housing stipend as well. So this is fully paid internship. Now, the most important part: who exactly can apply? Let me go through this as a checklist. So check one is: are you currently a student? You must be currently enrolled in university or college. This is not a role for people who have already graduated. So you should be from BE, B.Tech, M.Tech and MCA, computer science, engineering, mathematics, statistics or relevant field qualifies. So 2025 to 2026 batch students are eligible for this one and you guys can apply. Coming to check 2, do you have a programming skills? No single language is officially mandatory here, but Cloudflare's engineering teams work primarily in TypeScript, JavaScript, Go, Rust, C++, and Python and Java. Their work is mostly backend systems infrastructure. So if you know any of these, you are a strong candidate. Coming to check 3, do you have a GitHub profile? This one is non-negotiable at all. GitHub profile link is a required field in application. You cannot submit without it. If your GitHub is empty right now, push at least one project every day. Even a small project shows the initiative. Okay, coming to the check 4, can you commit to 12 weeks? Check from your college calendar. Make sure there is no exam or a semester conflict during the internship window. Cloudflare officially announced that candidates who build an AI powered application using the Cloudflare's platform will have their application fast tracked. That means you jump ahead of thousands of applicants who just submitted a plain resume. I have the link for this in the description below. It's called Cloudflare's for Students. Here is exactly how to apply step by step. Click the direct link in the description below. It goes straight to Cloudflare's official calendar application page on Greenhouse. It's their hiring platform. Step 2, before you start the form, have these ready. First one is resume and next one is GitHub profiling and LinkedIn profiling. All these are required. And step 3 is fill your education details carefully: your college name, degree, discipline, start date and expected graduation date. Make sure everything is accurate. Step 4 is there is a question that asks, do you now or will you in future require immigration sponsorship to work in at Cloudflare? If you are applying from India to work in India, select no. Submit your application and remember the fast track tip. Build a small AI powered app on a Cloudflare for Students platform and submit it with your application. That link is also in the description. And the important note: Cloudflare hires on the rolling basis. That means they review applications in batches and they close positions as they fill up. There is no fixed deadline. So the longer you wait, the worse your chances. Okay, apply today, not tomorrow. Don't wait for other to remind you to apply for the I want to give before you go. Company is Cloudflare and they are hiring for software engineer intern in Bangalore in India. It is in office role. So the duration will be 12 to 16 weeks. So who can apply? From the B.Tech, M.Tech, MCA students currently who are enrolled, from 2025 to 2026 batch. Both are eligible. So the stipend will be estimated around 3 to 5 lakhs for the full time duration. So GitHub and LinkedIn profiles are mandatory. Fast track, build an AI app on Cloudflare for. If this video saved your time and helped you to find an opportunity you didn't know about, a like takes 2 seconds and genuinely helps this channel to reach more people like you. Drop a comment below which college are you from and are you applying. I read every single comment, and if you want a job alerts like this